Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to start player career. In the beginning, let's go to player career from the menu and now select new player career. Now create new men's player or new women's player. Also you can play as real player or select icon player. Select personality, secondary personality and personality tier. Select team, adjust general settings, advance, name your career, Now, from the main menu of your career, you can see review objectives, current contract, your path and recommendations. You can choose target team, read messages and purchase perks. And that's basically it. If you want to play matches, go to season. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.